What it do with the jockey camp, man? We back at it with something dope for y'all today. And new year, new me, 2025. We putting a new exhaust on the Road King. Today, video is sponsored by Squareoneperformance and that's the pipe that's going on the bike, Squareoneperformance. And this pipe is my kind of, the guys that make this pipe is my kind of people. The pipes ain't got no baffles in them. The pipes are designed however they designed them. I won't get technical. You guys can ask them about it, but they're proven. They make good power. 114, 64 millimeter throttle body, E85. Taking the pipe that's on it off and putting this new stainless on. And this stainless, they polished it out. It's clean. It's all polished out. Squareoneperformance.com. Check this out. There's nothing in there, y'all. And this thing's about to chop hard. I'm super curious to see how it sounds. It comes with all the hardware. It's dope. They don't make you buy the stuff separate. So a lot of these companies, they be selling pipes and you got to buy like these O2 sensor adapters. You got to buy them separate and everything's there. Should be a little simple. Put on. Ain't nothing different than putting on any other pipe. Yeah, I'm not going to record this whole video putting this pipe on. I don't have my little phone mount stick that holds the phone to record. So I'm not going to do that today. Just going to do basically just an after and see how this pipe sounds. Stay tuned. Don't leave. Monster Jockey. Like and subscribe. Share if you haven't already. And yeah. So I'm going to show you guys the basics. Here's the exhaust gasket right here. And this is the adapter for the O2 sensor. You do got to screw this in, lock it down, because the hole is big. So I think it's like an 18 millimeter to a 12 millimeter or something like that. And then on the exhaust gasket, it's right here. And you just set it right inside. Oh, gloves getting in the way. Boom, just like that. Be easier if I had two hands, but yeah, you guys get the concept. That's what you do right there. Put the front header pipe on and the back one. Lock it on. I'm guessing this bracket goes right here. Yep, perfect. So the new exhaust is on. And this is a stainless steel pipe polished out. Looks good. Went on real easy and simple. O2 sensors are in a good place to mount easy wherever this one's at right there. The bracket, it's right here. You can see. Easy. Super simple to install. What do you guys think? I think it matches the bike way better than the stainless since I have chrome. The chrome polished out stainless matches real well. Dang, I'm curious. Let's see what it sounds like. So, first fire, y'all. This thing is definitely chopping now. Well, it was chopping before, but it's really chopping now. It's loud. This has to be probably the loudest pipe on the market. Most definitely. If you like loud pipes, this is definitely the pipe for you. Fortunately, well, it's dark, which it don't matter to me. But if you see, my tire is flat. I ran over a nail or something. I don't know exactly what I ran over, but I ran over something. The tire is kind of bald, so go figure. Anything I run over is gonna make it go flat. But man, let me know what you guys think about the pipe and what it sound like. I'll go. I got another tire I gotta mount up. Go test it out. It's definitely gonna be. Hey, this thing's loud. So if I come doing burnouts and stuff by you, plug your ears, because it's definitely gonna blow your eardrums out. And yeah, like I said, like and subscribe. Give Square One Performance. Give their website a check it out. And they make good quality pipe. At least what I'm seeing so far, it's good. Good, crafty, 100% handmade, all tigged up. They sell a stainless and they sell just a normal pipe. And they sell pipes for Dynas. They sell soft tails and everything. So check them out, man. I'll put the link in the bio. Give it a check out. Stay tuned for a video of me ripping on it. See, maybe I'll blow some flames or something, huh? We'll see. But yeah, anyways, like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see y'all on the next one. Late.